Wise men speak because they have something to say, fools, because they have to say something. I cannot teach anybody anything. I can only make them think. Those who know do not speak. Those who speak do not know. The aim of art is to represent not the outward appearance of things, but their inward significance. He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior. One of the penalties of refusing to participate in politics is that you end up being governed by your inferiors. One must wait until the evening to see how splendid the day has been. He who is not satisfied with a little is satisfied with nothing. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Even a soul submerged in sleep is hard at work and helps make something of the world. A woman has to live her life, or live to repent not having lived it. Without music, life would be a mistake. Life is much more successfully looked at from a single window. If you win, you need not have to explain. If you lose, you should not be there to explain. You do not write your life with words, you write it with actions. What you think is not important. It is only important what you do. Man is a mystery. It needs to be unraveled, and if you spend your whole life unraveling it, don't say that you've wasted time. Comedy aims at representing men as worse. Tragedy is better than in actual life. May you live every day of your life. Happiness consists in frequent repetition of pleasure. The seed of suffering in you may be strong, but don't wait until you have no more suffering before allowing yourself to be happy. I want to sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hears or what they think.